Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the AREBI A22 Pro mini Wi-Fi camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with two USB cables, a magnetic mount, an iron sticker, and a user manual. The camera is small and lightweight. It has a micro SD card slot, a USB charging port, an on-off button and a reset button. The user manual tells you everything you need to know to connect and use the camera. First, I fully charged the battery. The camera can last for about 4 hours of continuous recording per single charge. For continuous working, you have to attach the camera to a charger or a power bank. Connecting the camera with your phone and your Wi-Fi network is pretty easy. You just have to download the HID Cam app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and follow the instructions. Unfortunately, you have to register with your email address. I prefer camera apps where you don't have to create an account. I use the camera to watch my front door and it works pretty good during the day. Thanks to the automatic night vision, it also works pretty good during the night. I also tested the camera outside during the day. The camera quality is not great, but pretty good for such a small camera. I tested the camera for about a week and I think it's a nice product. It's small, lightweight, and the built-in magnet is very convenient when you mount the camera. So if you are looking for a mini Wi-Fi spy camera with motion detection, loop recording and a built-in battery, I would recommend the AREBI A22 Pro mini Wi-Fi camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.